Hey everyone, Chris here from Thrill Rides. I'm bringing you an update related to Triple Loop. The question remains, will Triple Loop ever open or will it open in 2022? Before we continue, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, bell notification button, and if you like this video, please hit that like button as it helps the YouTube algorithm, and also comment below your thoughts after this video is completed. As many of you know, we've done this update from the drone footage to the drive-by footage since last year. We provided you with many updates. Obviously, in 2022, there hasn't been many updates to share, but on this video, I'll go ahead and share all the developments that have happened over on Triple Loop, provided to us from Dave Wynn that's been out there. Also, on the website here recently, they have added this, but it doesn't have an opening date. It does not have a picture, so it's unknown if it will actually open in 2022. Obviously, we're hitting the end of the summer here soon. We do know that GOCC, which is a coaster club out of Ohio, has an event coming up, and they have been advised that Triple Loop will not be open for that event, which we've kind of figured since they haven't been running testing. And obviously, the state has to come out and test the coaster before they can complete it. Now, we haven't seen where the trains are at for this coaster. Rumor is that they're being worked on out site, and the current maintenance crew is working on it. Hops and Coaster Drops is an event that's going to happen on Saturday, September 10th, 2022. The question remains, will this coaster be open for this event? I have heard rumor that they are trying to get it open for this event, which would be crazy that it would be open that late in the year, but it would still coincide with being open in 2022. Now, they are not, from what I understand, having a Halloween event this year. I'm not sure on the last operating day. I believe the last operating day at the park is actually Labor Day weekend. So if it does not open during the regular season and it does open for the special event, I guess that's what we'll have to take it as and just run with it. And in that case, obviously the coaster should be changed over to 2023, but it could still open in August and before Labor Day. Here's a latest photo from Dave Wynn. This is a control panel that has gone in place. This is a little older of a photo. We were just providing the photos that he shared with us, and he did give us permission to use on this update. And you can see right here, this is a different view of the control panel. This looks like a more older version of the control panel, so it's probably very similar to the one that was used in Mexico and prior parks. Now, this is Schwarzkopf's first triple looping coaster, and it's world-renowned, so definitely will get a lot of publicity. We do know that the paint scheme is red, white, and blue. The park announced that a long time ago. There's been rumors that it'll be called just Triple Loop or American Dryer Looping, or it could just be called American Triple Loop. An official name has not been announced by the park, so those are just all rumors at this time. But I do believe this coaster is going to open. It's just unknown if it'll open this year, later this year, or next year in 2023. The platform is under construction at this current time. This obviously will be the platform in the station where you will wait at before boarding the coaster. And you can see that they are making it a concrete platform, so it's not going to be the standard wooden one that we've seen throughout the park, which means that they're trying to make it look more permanent, and maybe there will be an overhang in the station that'll protect a lot of the guests from the sun and stuff like that and elements. And you can see another view from here on that. And we'll go ahead and go into the park and try to get a closer up shot of that later on. Zach did actually film a park update that I'll be posting after this video is complete, that will probably have a little more updated footage on that. He did go recently to the park, so I'm working on that. And you can see another view of it over here. I think the coaster does look great. I think the paint scheme that they went with does make it look very nice. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think the red, white, and blue scheme is good, or do you think they should have painted it on different kind of color scheme? Let me know in the comments below. Going on to the other photo here, you can see the completed version of the triple loop. And I think it looks great. I would love to see the utilities underground, just so you didn't have the power lines to basically block kind of the view of it. You can see the bank turns on here, so it's going to have, like I said before, a lot of lateral moments, and then you're going to have extreme G's through the loop. This is going to be primarily a lot of lateral moments, however. And here is an updated photo again of that platform. Like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this will open in 2022? I, for one, think it will possibly, but it will be later this year. And I hope that they are more transparent in the near future and post us and give us updates on this coaster coming to Indiana Beach. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for future videos that'll drop down here on Thrill Rides. And thanks again for watching, and have a great one.